This video introduces how to perform initial configurations on NBS and ES series switches using eWeb, Ruijie Cloud, and Ruijie Reyee App. If you are using a Reyee switch but the uplink gateway is not a Ruijie device, follow the steps in this video to deploy the switch. RG-NBS and ES series switches can be managed and configured through eWeb, Ruijie Cloud, or Ruijie Reyee App. eWeb is used for local configuration, and Ruijie Cloud and Ruijie Reyee App are used for cloud-based remote configuration. Unmanaged switches are plug-and-play devices and do not support the configuration methods. Before configuration, connect a switch to the uplink device according to the network plan and ensure that the switch can access the internet. Otherwise, the switch may fail to connect to Ruijie Cloud. After the switch is connected to the uplink device, connect your PC to a LAN port of the switch using an Ethernet cable. Then the PC will automatically obtain an IP address. The default management IP address of the NBS and ES series switches is 10.44.77.200, and the initial login password is admin. Open a browser on the PC, enter 10.44.77.200 in the address bar, and press enter to access eWeb of the switch. If you cannot access eWeb, change the PC's IP address so that it resides on the same subnet as the switch. The configuration methods for the NBS and ES series switches differ slightly. The following video explains them separately. On the eWeb login page, enter the default password admin and click Login. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a new management password that meets the strength requirements, and click Save. After confirming that the device information is correct, click Next. Configure the Internet access mode for the switch according to the network plan, set time zone based on its actual location, and click Next. Set project name and click Create Network and Connect. The system will check whether the switch is properly connected to the Internet, and then redirect to the binding page of Ruijie Cloud. After you log into Ruijie Cloud using an account, the project will be bound to the cloud. Then, you can remotely manage the project through Ruijie Cloud and Ruijie Reyee App. If you do not attempt to bind the project to Ruijie Cloud, click Homepage or go to Device to go to eWeb of the switch. After accessing eWeb, reset and confirm the management password of the switch, and click Save to enter the configuration page. You can bind a project to Ruijie Cloud to facilitate remote configuration. Record the serial number, SN, of the device to be added. Click the Add icon and select Add Project from the drop-down list. Set project name and management password. Select the application scenario and time zone of the project. Click Advanced Settings to bind the project location. Click Next. Set Select Device Type to Switch and click Next. If you add only one switch to a project, enter the device SN and alias in the pop-up window, and click Finish. If you add multiple devices to a project, click by batch adding using an Excel file and download the template. Enter the device SNs and aliases one by one according to the template requirements. Then, go back to Ruijie Cloud, click Select in .xls or .xlsx file, upload the template file, and click Finish. Access the created project. If green dots next to the switch icons are displayed in the status column and synced is displayed in the config status column, the devices have successfully connected to Ruijie Cloud. You can scan the QR code on a switch to add it to a project using Ruijie Reyee App. Tap Add a Project. Select Scan or enter SN, and tap Continue. Scan the QR code on the switch to add it to a project. The app will automatically recognize the device SN. You can also tap Manually Enter and enter the device SN. Enter the device name and tap Add. Set project name and device password. Set radio country/region code based on the device location, and tap OK. Tap Enter Project to access the configuration page. Set Select Project Scenario and tap OK. When a green line appears in the topology indicating the switch is connected to the internet, the device has been successfully added to the project. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.